Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to import URP Lighting Box into a empty project. Okay, this is a empty project. Here you can see quality setting. We have two mobile and PC. Direct URP Lighting Box into your project and import everything. Okay, the first step is going to the project setting, and here in the quality setting you need to delete everything and create 5 quality settings. First is very low, low, okay, select everyone. This is for mobile platform, so change the settings for mobile platforms. Nice. Now you can select the very low, and from lighting box settings, renderer, direct very low here, low here, medium here, high here, and ultra here. Now in the graphics, select lighting box ultra. Nice. Don't forget to, from the URP, enable the render graph support. Now you are ready to use URP Lighting Box. Just create a cube, plan, select material. From here, open the URP Lighting Box. The default setting is good. You need to don't touch the setting before creating the profiles. As you can see, you have 4 assets. The first one is light setting. The skybox is the skybox, the lighting profile, and the global volume. As you can see, lighting box created a game object and move your directional light under lighting box 3. Now you can easily enable lighting. Choose your desired setting and start using the skybox lighting box. Everything will depend on your taste. Physically correct rendering. Everything is so easy.